What is Zika? Zika is a virus that is still new compared to other well-known viruses. Zika was accidentally discovered in Uganda in 1947 in the Zika forest, hence the name Zika. It spread from a mosquito called the Aedes aegypti. Zika is an illness that makes you really sick. At the moment, there are no cases of death, but this virus spreads to different countries fast. Society did not start caring about Zika that much until 2007, as there were many outbreaks in a few countries where more than 50% of the populations became ill with it. With this outbreak, scientists were able to find a correlation between women with Zika who have babies and microcephaly, which makes babies' heads small and damages their brain development forever. This is a horrible virus, and we want to find the best method to control Zika. One of the most promising methods of controlling Zika is a Wolbachia injection. Since a Zika vaccine will take years to develop, scientists are creating ways to control the mosquito population. The most promising tactic is creating genetically modified mosquitoes. Spraying insecticides can kill adults, but it won't control the population at the source. Companies such as Oxitec are using male mosquitoes to infect the Aedes aegypti, the main carrier of Zika. Male mosquitoes are bred in large numbers in a controlled lab. They are injected with a fluorescent marker and Wolbachia, a parasitic microbe that is not normally found in Aedes aegypti. The mosquitoes are then released into Aedes aegypti hotspots to go breed with the wild females. All of the offspring receive the Wolbachia, and this generation will die off before reaching their adult stage. The fluorescent marker is used to monitor the influence of the modified mosquitoes in the local populations. In theory, this method should be superior to any insecticides, because a human can only spray what they see. On the other hand, male mosquitoes will always find the females in every corner they live. Due to the regulations and slow process of gaining permission, Oxitec has had limited testing with their mosquitoes. Small-scale field trials have been conducted in areas such as the Cayman Islands and Brazil. Oxitec claims that they have been able to reduce Aedes aegypti populations up to 90% during these experiments. The strategy may be promising, but the implementation will be slow due to a lot of skepticism. Large-scale use of a genetically modified organism scares people enough, and there are concerns on the effects that this could have on the ecosystem. The predators of these mosquitoes will surely suffer if the mosquito population goes down as drastically as Oxitec believes, and there is the possibility of another species of mosquito just taking its place. Right now, the best way to combat Zika is through prevention. Scientists routinely spray pesticides on possible mosquito breeding grounds. Normal residents can also alleviate risk of Zika by ridding pools of standing water around the home and avoiding tropical climates. But if unavoidable, wearing long sleeves and using bug repellent containing DEET will suffice. Genetically modified mosquitoes are the new wave. Wolbachia injections are far more effective than traditional insecticide spray methods, which prioritize localized treatment over prevention. By injecting both the parasitic microbe and the fluorescent marker into the male mosquito, scientists are able to monitor the influence of the modified mosquitoes while infecting the population at its source. Wolbachia successfully combines prevention and treatment methods to ensure results. Although still in need of much more testing and perfecting, Wolbachia is the best chance of controlling Zika.